little bit something different, something I didn't think I'd be doing, so have to excuse me if it's a bit weird what's going on. But today I had a package arrive, so I figured I'd do something a bit different, do a bit of a POV unboxing of these new really should have changed my blade. Here we go. So figured I'd do it here, and you'll get the same thing as I unboxed my new shiny V1 series PC Racing coilovers. Now, I only ordered these about 2 weeks ago, and they said, oh, it'll probably take 3 to 4 weeks to arrive. And to my surprise, they arrived today. V1 series coilover for the Satria. Ooh, dude, they came with stickers. I love free stickers. Wow, damn, they're nice. Instructions, very nice. Oh, there are heaps of stickers. Holy crap. Oh, warranty card. Oh, fancy. Stickers on each of the. Very nice. Oh, cool. I'm loving the stickers. That's awesome. Gotta find some good places to put them. Do that later. Alright, where were we? Oh, here they are. Alright. Let's check this one out first. Oh, what do we got here? We've got some adjusters. Oh, look at that. Looks like a rear, I guess. We got, oh yeah, of course it's the rear, so we've got the dampening adjusting, shiny new bolts. That's very nice. So that would be a front right there. Oh, look at that. So the V1 series has camber adjustment. The VM series does not. Fun fact, they are the same price. So I was like, you know what, why not? Get the full adjustability going. There she is. It's pretty cool. Damn, good kit. Shout out to Thomas, TJ, who also has these fitted. I got a good chance to check them out when I was visiting him recently. And yeah, made me sort of go, yep, I'll get that. You see, another front and another rear there. I still haven't really done anything to the GTi. Still haven't put the drive shafts back in or anything like that. But yes, that will be something that's going to have to happen sooner rather than later, so I can get these in. Yeah, just a quick one. Didn't think, as I said, didn't think I'd be making this video, but yeah, there they are. So if you are thinking about getting these, here they are. Okay, let me get the back out of the heavy thing. All the attachments. Very nice. So yes, I will obviously be doing a video of putting these in, but as far as coilovers go, they are very, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there. Take the old one out, put the new one in. Pretty straightforward, but I will go through that in another video. Anyway, thanks for coming to my unboxing. Uru.